Hola guys, it's V-Ball for Life 1001, but you guys will know me from school. Alright. And, alright, let me see what she's doing.
Oh, it's my jam!
Jesus, shut up. You're so stupid with all your things to do. Alright. I'm near my cousin's house, and I got his Diary of a Wimpy Kid book.
Zoom in, look at that. Look
Look
at
at it,
that.
look at it. No, stop, don't move. See, that Wimpy Kid. And look at my eye touch, you're so precious.
Yeah, we get it. Now, point of the video.
Alright, so guys.
Say something, baby. Say something, baby.
Really? Alright, okay.
I'll be long gone.
Just shut up. Alright, so you already know Miss Fabulous.
Yes, that's moi. Subscribe to my channel, thank you.
Alright, and zombies, we're gonna make cool videos like Call of Duty and Nerf. Alright guys, and that's it, pretty much it I'm gonna show you, and bye guys.